Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the sixth unit, laundering. In that, today's session is second session. In earlier session, you have discussed about the general washing definition and what are the points to be considered while selecting the machines, washing machines, and general guidelines for the washing. So you have to use the soaps and the detergents for washing the out to remove the dirts or the spots on the fabrics or the garments. Laundry refers to the washing of clothing and other textiles. Laundry processes include washing, usually with water containing detergents or other chemicals, agitation, rinsing, drying, pressing, that pressing is nothing but the ironing, and folding. So what is the laundry? Laundry is nothing but the washing of clothes and as well as the other textiles, that is a fiber, yarn or the fabric. Laundry process includes washing, agitation, rinsing, drying, pressing, and last one is folding. Laundry, it is defined as a place where the washing and finishing of clothes and other articles are carried out. So washing and the finishing of the clothes or the other article is carried out, that place is known as the laundry place. Laundering of clothes consists of two processes. First one is the process of removing dirt from clothes. Second, the process of finishing them to regain the appearance of neatness as a new fabric. So what are the two processes carried out in the laundry? First one is removal of the dirt from the fabrics or the clothes, and the second process is process of finishing them to regain the appearance of a new fabric. So these are the two processes carried out for the laundry. Laundry processes are the step-by-step procedure to follow in the act of washing of clothes or textile materials. What are the processes then? Soaking, washing, rinsing, drying, ironing. Soaking. What is the soaking then? This is done by adding water to the bucket, ensuring that the fabric is well covered by the water, adding the necessary detergents or stain remover and stir it till the stain dissolves and allow resting for 15 to 25 minutes before washing. So what is the soaking? Soaking is nothing but adding water in the bucket and mixing the detergent or the stain remover in that bucket and add the clothes to be washed. Then allow them in that mixture of soap and the water up to 30 minutes before washing. Next is the washing process. Washing is a popular method of cleaning a cloth, usually with water, soap or the detergent. Furthermore, the time of washing varies between the extent of dirt in the clothing. Next step is the rinsing. This is very similar to washing, usually with cold water. The difference is that it dilutes the dirt and the detergent. Next step is drying. Drying is the act of removing moisture from clothes or the textiles, usually after washing. You have to remove the moisture contained in the textile materials. Last one, ironing. This is the act of using heated iron to remove wrinkles and aids in the killing of germs through heat. So after the drying, it is carried out for the ironing or the pressing, where the removal of the wrinkles and aids in killing the germs through the heat and the pressure. Next is the folding. This is the act of bending the clothes cover part of it. So you have to after the ironing, you have to fold it and keep it neatly. Principles of laundering. What are the principles of laundering? Application of pressure. It is done in 4 ways. First one, application of friction. Second, application of light pressure. Third, application of suction or suction washing. Last is washing machine. These are the pressure, application of pressure. Application of friction may be applied by means of hand friction or rubbing. Second, special scrubbing by brush. Rubbing and scrubbing. These are the friction may be applied by means of hand friction or rubbing, special scrubbing by brush, and rubbing or the scrubbing. These are the means of friction. Application of light pressure. It is applied to the washing of fine texture. Kneading and squeezing, suitable for colored articles and delicate fabrics. So application of light pressure where the fine texture fabrics need this light pressure. Kneading and squeezing, suitable for colored articles and the delicate fabrics. Application of suction or suction washing. It is suitable for many fabric or colors. So application of the suction, that is the washing process. Washing machine operated by means of electricity. Principles: agitating the clothes in soapy water, thus bringing about cleansing action. So machine is done by the electric machine. Agitating is in soapy water to remove the dirt and the impurities. Clothes after the process of cleansing get creased and need to be straightened to look like new. The methods used for finishing in laundry are damping, ironing, pressing or calendering. So after the removal washing, for the finishing of, they have to go for the damping or ironing or pressing or the calendering. Answer the following questions. Define laundry, explain 6 steps of laundry processes, and describe principles of laundering. Thank you.